Hi there, space explorers. Are you ready to blast off on an amazing journey through our solar system? Buckle up because we're about to visit all the planets, the sun, and so much more. Let's go. Segment 1. Our first stop is the sun. It's like a giant glowing ball of fire at the center of our solar system. The sun gives us light and warmth, and it's super hot, about 10,000 degrees on its surface. Without the sun, we wouldn't have daytime and plants couldn't grow. Isn't that amazing? Segment 2. The inner planets. Now let's meet the rocky planets closest to the sun. They're called the inner planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. First up is Mercury. It's the smallest planet and super hot during the day, but freezing at night. Next is Venus, the brightest planet in our sky. But watch out, it's covered in thick, poisonous clouds. Then there's Earth, our home. It's just the right size and temperature for plants, animals, and us to live. And finally, Mars. It's called the red planet because of its rusty color. Scientists think people might visit Mars one day. Segment 3. The outer planets. Time to zoom past the asteroid belt and meet the giant planets. These are the outer planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They're huge and made of gas and ice. Here's Jupiter, the biggest planet. It's so big it could fit 1,300 Earths inside. And look at that big red spot. It's a giant storm. Next is Saturn, with its beautiful rings. Did you know the rings are made of ice and rock? Uranus is so cool. It spins on its side like a rolling ball. And last is Neptune. It's super far away and has the fastest winds in the solar system. Brr, it's cold out here. Segment 4. Dwarf Planets and Beyond. Now let's visit the little guys, the dwarf planets. Pluto used to be a planet, but now it's part of a group called dwarf planets. Dwarf planets are small, icy worlds far from the sun. They're in a region called the Kuiper Belt. Isn't that cool? Segment 5. Comets and the Oort cloud. Let's finish our trip with something super exciting. Comets. These icy space travelers zoom around the sun and sometimes light up the night sky. Far beyond the planets is the Oort cloud, a giant bubble of icy objects. That's where comets come from. Wow, wasn't that an amazing trip? From the fiery sun to icy comets, the solar system is full of wonders. Thanks for coming along, space explorers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun space adventures. See you next time. Keep reaching for the stars.